Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. Yeah, DOT is also caught in the sell-off today. Not a major sell-off, but still, just a continuation of what we've seen before. Actually, a continuation of what DOT has been doing since the March top, where the price topped at around like $11.90, $11.80, $11.90, and we've been in this complex correction now for quite some time. Idea is that we're currently either in the yellow scenario, which allows for continuation to the downside, or if we've bottomed already, then the 385 level ideally holds. If not that, then the last support level for the bulls, which is the formal invalidation point of the white scenario, which is the short-term bullish count. Well, that's 360. I mean, below 385, that's the support area here, 385 to 422. Below the 385 level, we have some wiggle room, surely. We have some wiggle room. We can say, okay, it could dip to 360, which is the August low. That's the B wave low in the white scenario, which allows for a bullish reversal to the upside. But again, if we break below that level, there's no way, this white scenario would still be valid. It's just not, it would reset the B wave, and that's questionable. We would then need another 1-2 setup and so on. At the moment, the main focus is on whether the bulls can actually hold the last swing low from last Friday, which formed here at 385. The price is maxing out currently the support zone. We did that already in September, and the price had a nice reaction to our support area. I just shifted it to the right now, but it used to sit here, 1 second. Yeah, it used to sit here. Price reacted, rallied, but only in 3 waves. And then an impulsive looking decline. We gave it another chance, another corrective looking rally with all these overlaps. Impulsive looking decline, corrective rally, impulsive looking decline. Okay, it's not looking good. It's just not looking good. And that's why I highlighted to you minimally. I mean, yesterday we made a video here about DOT. What we need to see to get a bit more confidence that the white scenario is actually unfolding. We need minimally a break above that 460 level next, then followed by that, ideally a break above the $5 mark, but we're not there yet, and the downside pressure is just high at the moment. So the white scenario still has a chance, but without any confirmed low in place, so without any upside reversal confirmation. So remain cautious. I mean, we have, to be fair, for short positions, the reward to risk ratio isn't the greatest here, but still there is no confirmation that a low has formed. And we're just moving sideways with less and less volatility, actually. My hope is that, Bitcoin is currently in a support area, might find a low soon, and then turn around to the upside, which could help DOT at least temporarily to push a little bit higher and to avoid invalidation for the white scenario. I mean, okay, if we go lower, the price could still recover from down there around 280, but it would just take longer and would be less clearly bullish. And overall, this chart has turned obviously into a mess. You know that. Been talking about that. I've been covering DOT quite a few times on the long-term chart. You might know that I don't see this as a clearly bullish chart, but I still give the DOT bulls the chance. Why do I not see it as a clearly bullish chart? Because the initial rally into the previous all-time high territory here was just a 3-wave corrective rally, and the move down is even potentially in 5 waves. So there are a couple of options here. One scenario that I'm following is that we've completed a wave 1 to the downside in October last year. We have an A wave up, a B wave down, and this would just be a C wave up. And yeah, the B wave can even be a bit lower. They overshoot sometimes to the downside, but really, ideally we reverse here to the upside and start that C wave. But what did I say to you? Well, we need a 5-wave move up first to confirm that. And this chart actually shows us nicely what we need to see for a 5-wave move up in circle 1. And you can see that we haven't even, clearly started the internal 3rd wave. So it's just a mess, and possibly this wave 2 is unfolding still. So I don't really have much hope that this is actually what's happening, because we haven't really seen, we're just still printing lower lows. And so the bulls really need to turn up before we break below that last swing low there in August. And if not, then it's just simply a continuation in the yellow count, but even then, maybe just one more marginally lower low. Either way, we always need that first 5-wave move up, 3-wave pullback that will indicate that the trend has started to turn to the upside. But we are not there yet, unfortunately. I'll keep an eye on that, keep watching for it. Especially as we're so close to an invalidation point. So it's often that that they turn up here, at least even if just temporarily. But it's still, you know, for a good setup, a high quality setup, we need all 5 waves up completed in circle 1, and then the wave 2 pullback would follow. But we're not there yet. And this wave 2 is really massive. So it doesn't really look very promising right now. But once I see a first micro 5 wave move up and a break above those levels I indicated, I will let you know. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.